I sit inside of all of this, wasting every day. I can't seem to get out of this shit, but my mind's fried. I'm just trying to think of how I can survive this life. I'm sitting pretty, sitting, wishing I was missing everything a little less, but everything don't come. Trying my best just to get all of this shit out of my head, but I sit so dumb. I just wanna breathe, but I cannot get this off my chest tonight. I just wanna breathe, but I can't seem to get this out of my head. It's alright, but I sitting here feeling fear, wishing I could let it out, but nothing seems to get away from me. And I still doubt that I'm gonna get this all off of my head, or I can even get myself out of this bed. Let me breathe, oh, let me sleep. My mind is stuck, I cannot breathe. I'm sitting inside of this hell again. Never understanding what I gotta get through. Never letting any of you get a glimpse of what's inside my head. Breathing toxins, I just lost it. All I have is just forgotten. All I need to do is find a friend to let me out of my own doom. But I'm always sitting alone inside this mind. How do I get out? How do I survive? I am always trapped inside my broken fucking head. I don't want to keep feeling like I am dead, but every day I wake up, I'm the same, stuck place in this fucked up brain. How do I get out, breathe? I can breathe, but no one seems to care about anything. I am all alone again. All I need is just a friend, but I sit so lonely in my head. Left on red, I might be dead. My mind is going through the worst spots of my head. All I do is mess things up, 'cause I'm so stupid. All I do is waste away. All I do is feel my pain. All I prove is everything that you said about me.